Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Art Beat. Today in this video I am going to show you latest beautiful lightweight gold earrings designs. Before going further, please subscribe my channel Art Beat and click on bell icon for channel updates. Lightweight gold earrings are the all-time favorite jewelry for daily wear and casual wear. Different varieties of gold earrings are shown here. These remain the most beautiful treasured accessory among all the ladies. Can be worn as festive wear, party wear, casual wear, traditional occasions and evening parties. Friends, watch the video till end so that you can go through all the unique lightweight gold earring designs. Enjoy the video. Latest and trendy patterns of fashion accessories, jewelry designs, costume designs and so on. Please support and subscribe my channel Art Beat. The beautiful lightweight gold earring design ideas in this video. Comment your favorite earring designs and give your valuable feedback in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share the video with your friends. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care.